Ava, and we're making the biggest LOL
No.
display case. What?
And you forgot Shelly Caddy. It's my Shelly Caddy doll. When you pull the ribbon, she talks.
Okay, but we're making an LOL doll stand up. This is gonna hold all her dolls. She has about 150 to 200 of them, maybe more, maybe 1,000. And we're gonna put this against the wall, and you can watch it as the progress grows. Nobody has made one this big, and everybody who makes one, all their dolls will fall over if you touch it or shake it. Ours are gonna stand up and not fall over. This is the reason we made the LOL stand, so we could put it up against the wall over here, and all these toys would get off the floor. Let's see what happens. The reason we made this shelf that's gonna hold 1,000 LOLs on it is because we tried making all the ones that people made on YouTube, and every time we made them, as soon as you bumped it, all the LOLs fell off. So we said, let's make our own. So we built this, we mounted it to the wall and it won't move, and now we're gonna start displaying the LOLs, and if somebody bumps it, they're not gonna fall down. So let's put them up. That's the coolest shelf ever. What's going on. We're probably gonna fill up 1 or 2 more shelves with LOL dolls, but we are almost full. But what we're gonna do, well, there is a bunch more, and we can just go buy some more, right, Mila?
Okay.
What is that, a purse? Okay.
Okay.
So we're gonna fill it up with all kinds of other little toys that are up here. So I'm gonna show you guys up close what we have so far, and we're gonna show you the whole thing when we're done. Those are all LOLs and pets and little sisters. But if we want to fill it up, I'm just going to back up and show you guys how much more room we got.
Wait.
We do have 1,000 more toys to put up there. I'm sure we'll fill it up and get it all full. Keep it going. Tell your parents to go build you guys one. This is a great idea, and if you shake the shelf, they don't all fall down. It's stuck to the wall. So that's a good thing. Not like all the other ones you see on YouTube that people tell you to build. And when we built them, nobody even said in the comments how, well, they all fall over because their feet don't stick in there. So over here, we didn't stick their feet in, but it's mounted to the wall so they're not going to fall down. Great idea. So finally a good idea. Give us a thumbs up, and we're going to keep filling this up. It's looking cleaner on the floor, and the LOL dolls are almost filled up. Do you think you're almost done? What do you want to say to everybody?
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
Or just give us a thumbs up. And go build you guys a shelf and leave a comment, right?
Yeah.
Ooh. What's your favorite LOL?
Spice.
Where is she? And if everybody had one of these shelves, they could always find their favorite doll all the time because they'll know where it is, right? And it took us less than $15 to build this out of, what was that wood we bought? It was like just like some thin wood. And we built the shelf in the garage, and then we glued it and nailed it, and then we stuck it to the wall, right?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.